So this video is going to show you how to use our new article posting when you have found an article that you would like to share out to all your social networks and do it from one place quickly and easily. And so when you first get to this page, it is going to show you which social networks that you already have connected with us. Any that you have not, they'll be in red and you can click to connect them. Come back to this page, refresh. All of them will take you a couple seconds to connect to, so it's a really easy process. And once you do that, you will come down and choose which sites you want to post to. If you uncheck Facebook or if you uncheck Instagram, those sites are going to go away. Like that. And so I'll click those again because I want to choose sites from there. I don't want it to post to all. I want it to post to one. And so I'll post there. And then what you do is you'll find an article that you are interested in sharing. I found one here on Bankrate Monitor. Come back, and all you need to do is post that URL in here and check articles. So we're going to go and look at the article's source code. Most often these days, articles have, it's called OG data, OG data. I can't remember exactly what that stands for. It's an acronym for something, but it includes image information, and so there's the image that corresponds to the image that we saw here on this page. And if you want to change that, you can. Or if we don't find an image, which can also happen, you'll need to go find an image. So let's just say that this image was not found, or I wanted to change it. So I'm going to take that one away. I'm going to come over here and just do a quick search for real estate. I think I have too many tabs open. It's going very slow. And so you can just say, look, I want to change it to this image. Again, you don't, if the image shows up there, you don't need to do this, but if the image is missing, you will need to provide an image. So I just want to make that clear. And I apologize, my computer is going very, very slow. And so once you have that image URL, you can do a right click and copy image address. Come back over here and put that in. And we'll have that new image here. And then for the article call out, if that's missing, you'll definitely need to put something in there, and you don't. So this is coming from the article. Oftentimes it's very vanilla and bland, and so you can just say something, mortgage homes help affordability and updates on treasury yields. I don't know. Let's just say the article is about, it's important. I'll just say this, it's important to customize your description when you post articles. And so you can do that, and then we all know that emojis are important. People like to get visually stimulated, so we can just say I'm going to take a house image and I don't know what that is, a blasting image, and paste them in. Why not? And put it in here. And that's all you need to do. And so now it's going to go and it's going to post once you click on Post Now. And so we are going to take, so altogether, this video was 4 minutes so far, and I spent a lot of time talking about how it works. Once you get familiar with the tool, you can literally get an article that you found posted to all your social media sites in probably under 2 minutes. And so we can take a look at what it looks like on Facebook. Obviously, you don't want to use an iStock Getty image for your image. I was just doing that for demonstration purposes. And so there it is on Facebook. We can take a look at it on Instagram. This is on my Instagram page. I'll clearly delete these. And you get the idea. So I'm going to go through all of these. So that's how the tool works. And if you have any other questions, please send in your questions to support@listingsmagic or use our online chat, or you can give us a call at 866 831-8639. Thanks for watching.